The weather was wonderful today. Did you get out and get to enjoy it a little bit?
It was literally like 2 minutes, but 120 seconds.
Well, it's hard when you work a normal 9 to 5, 8 to 6, and or 8 to 4. You're inside most of the day.
Right.
Hopefully, you can get a few steps around the parking lot when it is so nice. 68 officially.
Oh my goodness!
Did it get that warm?
It got that warm.
Is it going to be nice tonight if we want to walk like between 6 and 8?
Yes, you will have that time.
Did you say
6
dine
and 8.
al fresco?
You know what? You probably could do that as well.
What?
I know the clouds are increasing, but I'm not expecting any rain until later tonight and early tomorrow morning. It's cloudy and 64. It's windy out there. A south wind at 19 miles per hour. 68. Only one off that record of 69 that was set back in 2018. Sunset this evening happens at 6:28. Thursday forecast much different than what we had today. We're going to be dodging rain and storms most of the day with high temperatures in the 50s. How much rain? A little lower than what we expected. However, we're going to be anywhere from a ½ inch to maybe on the high side in a couple of places an inch. That's good news because we have saturated ground. Lowland flooding would be minor under some of the heavier storms during the day tomorrow. In terms of the risk for severe weather tonight, mainly in areas north and west of Indianapolis, and the primary threat, hail. Right now, not a lot to show you on live Doppler 13 radar, although we expect some instability in the atmosphere to take over later this evening. When you join us tonight at 11 o'clock, we'll be tracking that development perhaps near Lafayette and Kokomo. That's where we expect some storms overnight through the early part of tomorrow morning. That's Thursday at 1 a.m. I'm going to stop it as sunrise gets underway here on Channel 13 at 4 o'clock tomorrow morning. You're going to need the umbrella. They'll get you through a wet start to our Thursday, although not widespread the early half of tomorrow. So if you wanted to get out, just check live Doppler 13 radar first. It'll be a different story tomorrow afternoon. We expect most of the coverage of the heavier rain and some thunderstorms tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. This is Thursday at 6 p.m. The rain chances move out by Thursday night at 11, and we start to cool things down. This is your Friday forecast. We'll be in the 30s to start, 40s to finish, and only near 40 for a high as we start the weekend on Saturday. So we've got a soggy Thursday setup with some thunderstorms possible, and then a brief cool down for a couple of days. 54 with the rain around tomorrow, 45 a mix of clouds and snow. Yes, we may see a couple snow showers late Friday, early Saturday. Not expecting it to amount to much. 40 on Saturday afternoon. We will end the weekend with sunshine on Sunday. We're back to 60, and then 65 to 70 Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. But this time of year, when we get that warm, we get cold air that will follow, and sometimes that means severe weather. So we'll keep you posted on that for next week.
All right. Thanks so much, Angela.
Well,